Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss why a declined payment in your account can actually kill all of your ads. So, sad story of my life. I start with a client, everything is going very well, we are having sales and stuff. By mistake, we're having a declined payment and then boom, everything crashes, we're not having sales and stuff. A lot of people don't understand this, they just think that their ads are going to stop for a little bit, okay? And then they're going to continue, because also Facebook is actually using the phrase that we are pausing them, okay? We're not pausing them, we're destroying your account, okay? This is the truth. So how does Facebook work? Let's think of it. The way that Facebook works is actually, they are saying that, okay, we have a community, we need to protect the community. I'm not going to even bother analyzing the Cambridge Analytica stuff, okay? Let's say what they're saying in their political correctness and how they use this in order to protect their users. They're saying we have a community anyway. They say that we want to protect this community and we want to have good content for our community. So whoever is a threat for the community and stuff, we're going to stop them from advertising because we don't want to show bad content to the community. Perfect so far. How is that related, Konstantinos, with the fact that I'm having a declined payment? Let me tell you. We said in this channel several times that the ad accounts, they are having behaviors, and that from the ad accounts we are understanding if we can target quality traffic people. The same thing is the problem of dropshippers, because they are having bad quality on their pages. Facebook is saying that they are a community threat and they are actually closing and they are banning their ad accounts. So what is happening in the case of the declined payment? When an account is working and is having normal spend, it's spending, and it's not posing a threat for the community because it doesn't have rejected ads, well, things are becoming more easier, because Facebook says that this is a trustworthy advertiser, so we're not going to have a lot of issues with them. But the moment you are doing a declined payment, then you are not a trustworthy advertiser anymore, and you are falling, even if you haven't done anything wrong in terms of content or whatever, but you're falling under the category of not being a great account. So in that case, you are just being treated like an account that is starting now, or an account that's having problems with rejected ads, and Facebook is giving you the less quality traffic so that it can give the good quality traffic to the good accounts, okay? Does it make sense now? So when you're having a declined payment, Facebook says that this account is not a trustworthy advertiser.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy the hamburger.
Hamburger.
I would like to buy a burger.
Maybe we should stop.
So the problem is that we are going to give the good traffic to the trustworthy advertisers. And a lot of times people don't understand that, and we are having these kind of declined payments. In my opinion, and by just watching accounts just dying immediately after you have a problem like this, you should always be able to pay in time the ads, because the moment you're not going to, you're falling under a bad category and you might not recover again. Actually, this has happened with a client of mine, which we started very well, we were having sales, and the moment that the declined payment happened, then boom, suddenly we didn't have any sales, or even the sales that we had, they didn't have good average order value. So I have seen several times this thing happening, and you have the choice not to believe me, it's totally fine. But for those that actually trust me because they have been to the channel for a long period, and thank you for that, I'm telling you that you should always tell this to your client, or if you're a person that you're having your own ad account, you need to pay always the bill on time, because the moment you're not going to, you're going to have issues with your ads, and it's going to take you, from my experience, from 2 to 3 months to recover back to where you were before in terms of the quality of the traffic that you're going to get. So guys, I hope that it's clear. I hope that you're going to do it, and I hope that this madness with declined payments is going to stop. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course, and until we meet again, guys, don't forget that you have to pay your bills, you have to be creative, and you have to be consistent.